Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am excited to be doing another unboxing of the Truphae fountain pen and bottle of ink subscription box. It is their less expensive box with the option of getting a full bottle of ink as opposed to getting just the ink samples. So with that, let me go ahead and open it. Okay. Did feel like maybe my box got a little smushed in shipping, so hopefully everything is all right inside here. Let's go ahead and open this up and take a look. There we go. It got a little smashed. See if I can fix that. All right, let's see what we have. Ooh, blue black ink. Well, that right off looks awesome. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we have. This is from Platinum, Japan, 1919. I do love Japanese products. They're always so high quality. Love this bottle. That is gorgeous. Blue black. It looks like a very beautiful blue. I don't know if that's going to show in the camera or not. I will go ahead and try and give it a try in a minute here. But that is a very, very nice looking bottle of ink. And luckily, the way it was packaged, my pen did not get smashed, so that is nice. Okay, move the box out of the way. And let's see what we got for a pen. It looks like we got I apologize if I say this wrong, but a Kaweco, Germany since 1883. And it says, just write it. So this is, I believe, the $30 box. So the pens that come in it are on the less expensive side of things. And you get a full bottle of ink. Okay, so it's just got a nice plastic. Does it say, let me see if the thing says what size. It says per kilo. I don't know if you guys can see that. LSFPF. So I don't know if that stands for fine point. I hope so. I like fine point pens. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. So inside it has some blue ink that's not being used. It looks like it's got just a empty filler. I don't know, I guess you could technically fill these in. This is only my second box and I'm new to fountain pens, so I actually just figured out how to make my converter work properly in the other pen that I had. So we'll go ahead and fill this up and see if we can't see what this ink looks like. So make sure that's in there nice and tight. Okay. And let's see here. Shake the ink up. I don't know if you're supposed to do that or not, but let's see. I have a notebook over here. So not sure why it's got, looks like it's got something inside there, a plastic something or another. So let's see if I can fill this pen up. Oh, so I gotta push it all the way down first. And find the fill hole. It's not filling. I think I don't have it all the way in. This was the issue I was having with another one of the pens that I had. This one's got this plastic in there, which I'm not sure what that is for. Maybe if you guys know, you could tell me in the comments. Otherwise, I have a hard time getting the ink in there. Let me try one more time. I'm gonna dip it all the way in there. Maybe I just don't have it in the ink deep enough. And there I got some ink. All right, so I may not be dipping the pen in deep enough. Like I said, I am new to these, so we shall see how that goes. All right, so let us go ahead and put that back in here. And we'll see what this ink looks like. All right. It is a nice fine point. My writing is not the best, so I apologize. So it is a very fine point, which I actually quite like. It dries pretty quick. Yeah, so it doesn't have very much smearing. It's a very nice, just a light blue. So it does say blue black, but it just, to me, looks like a very blue ink. And it doesn't smear, so I really like that. That's really nice. So, I mean, the ink, the pen itself, again, it's, you know, a budget pen, but it seems to be a nice pen with a cap, and there you guys have it. That is the box for August of 2022. I actually don't know if their boxes are the same across the board each month for everybody, or if they're, you know, different inks or whatnot, but that's what we have this month is the blue black platinum ink. It is a Japanese ink, and then a Just Write It Kaweco Perkio LS FPF pen, which looks like just a great one to use every single day for miscellaneous stuff. It's got a nice fine point, which I like, and it's just a plastic pen. So, and it did come with one of your standard inks refills there, and an empty tube, which I think I've seen people refill these. I don't know that I would do that, but yeah. All right, well, if you guys have any questions or comments, I'd love to hear them down in the comments, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching.